Secretary birds have a crest of black feathers on the back of their heads, which they can raise when alarmed or excited. They have a hooked beak for tearing apart prey and large yellow eyes for keen eyesight, essential for spotting prey from afar. An interesting feature of secretary birds is their feathered eyelashes, which help protect their eyes from sun glare and debris while hunting. Unlike most other birds of prey, secretary birds hunt on the ground rather than from the air. They are adept at walking long distances and can run at impressive speeds when pursuing prey.